show. Guess what? We're just cruising up and down the road. We've been going for about 2.5 hours already. And finally that sun over there is starting to pop up. So that looks really, really nice. I like it. Yes, indeed. We managed to escape the little bit of a weather that we were going to get here this morning if I stayed here any longer. Throughout the night we got heavy winds, and I was looking on the weather forecast there during the night when I woke up from my truck shaking, and that said that it was going to be up to like 30-35 mile an hour gusting winds, and later on we were going to get some snow and stuff, so I said I better get out of there. So yeah, that's exactly what I did. I got on down out of there, so here we go. Now we're cruising down the road here on US 75. We're still in Kansas, but we've gone a good ways down the road already, that's for sure. And yeah, I just saw the sun peeking through there on the clouds there, so yeah, let's capture that and show that a little bit. Hopefully that turns out to be a pretty good clip. Now, because of that heavy wind, I didn't really sleep very well last night. I don't know. I went to bed fairly early already, but 2 o'clock in the morning I woke up from the wind rocking my truck back and forth. So hopefully we can get us a good night's sleep tonight. We only got 350 more miles to go, and we'll be in basically close to Dallas already at the Flying J up there. So we'll see. Maybe if it calms down over here and we got nice sunshine yet for a little bit, I might have a chance to fly my drone yet. We'll see, depending on how windy it is, right? I am now coming into Tulsa, Oklahoma, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Today we're taking a little bit of a different route than I have over the last little while. Every time for the last little while I've been following the GPS, and it would take me a little bit further east and then go down the I think it's a 169 or something like that. And this time I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go straight down on the 75, see how that is. I remember back in the day I'd done that several times, and lately I haven't really done that, so I figured this time we're gonna do it. Yeah, that's right. Still need to take my half-an-hour break somewhere yet, and I was thinking, I think there might be a truck stop a little bit south of Tulsa here, so I might just go in there and take my half-an-hour break, get me something to eat and drink and whatever. Yeah, I need some more energy. Like I said before, I didn't have the greatest amount of sleep today, so I am not tired, super tired where I can't drive or anything like that. It's just when you don't have like as much sleep as you would like to, it's like dragging you down a little bit, right? You're yawning all day long and whatever. You're not as happy and excited as you would be if, at least I am not. If I don't have my sleep, I'm not quite as excited and happy as I would be if I had my normal sleep, you know. But hey, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Oh, I see a helicopter up there. Wonder if anything is going up in Tulsa today. Might be a news helicopter, who knows. I don't think the camera shows it. It's up there to the left a little bit. But yeah, oh well. Let's see if I can see it over here. Might be making a turn now. It looks like it's making a left-hand turn up there, so yeah, it's circling around town, I guess. Now I know, RJ, I gotta stay on 75 to go south. To stay on 75, made me a reservation this morning, so I'm guaranteed a spot at the Flying J there close to Dallas. Talked to a buddy of mine. He said he's been at this place before where I'm delivering to, and he said, yeah, they're a little reduced ahead. Not like picky, but they're a little picky. They want you to be there like around the time. They won't unload you early or anything like that, so that's okay. I just want to try and get there tomorrow on time, right? We'll see how busy the traffic will be in the morning. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue on cruising down the road. I have no idea what this river up here is called, but there is a little bit of a river up here. Yeah, that's right. Just as we are leaving Tulsa. I don't know what kind of river it is, but
keep to the left on US 75 South Glenville.
Yeah, it's a bit of a zigzag through here, but hey, that's okay. We'll get through it. We got our GPS going, right? Looks like they redone this road a little bit here. You know, looks fairly new. That's good. We need more places to have their roads rebuilt, right? In a mile and a half, we gotta keep on the left-hand side to stay on US 75. That's what we want to stay on, right? Here we go, guys. We have finished taking our break. Now it's time to get on down the road again, guys. Yes, indeed.
Continue on this road
We
for
got
14 miles.
176 more miles to go. And then we'll be at the flying hook that we want to be at for tonight. Yeah, that makes me happy. We should still be there fairly early. I would say right around 3 o'clock, maybe a little after. Depends on how much slowdowns we get, right? Like we got a few more towns to go through and stuff, so depending on all of that, I'm thinking about 3:18 or so. That's what my GPS is saying, so that could be very, very close to being correct. Yes, indeed. But anyways, we had us a quick bite to eat, and oh, that was definitely worth it there, sitting down, having me a little quick bite to eat, and now I got energy again. Got energy to get back at it again and make that last little stretch happen, right? Like I said, it's only about 3 hours worth of driving, so, and it is right now at 11:54 in the morning, so we got 3 hours, so yeah, should still be there fairly early in the afternoon. Mind you, I did make a reservation, so I didn't really have to do that quite that early, but I wanted to get out of the storm there this morning, and am I glad I ever did, man. I just looked at the radar when I was stopped here, and yeah, that looked like that snow got in quite deep too, so like what I mean by that is quite south, quite deep, you know, like further south, you know. But anyway, so I'm just looking at that one guy there. He looked like a homeless guy or something, and he was trying to get people to give him money or something. That's what it looked like, but oh well. Anyways, going through a little bit of a town here. I couldn't even pronounce this town if I wanted to. Yeah, that was a weird town that I had stopped in here, but oh well. That's okay. And of course it's cloudy and a little bit of a breeze going on too. I mean, it's right on the edge. I don't really feel too comfortable flying my drone. Like you can see these things right here for the auto dealer here, how they're going nuts, right? So once you get your drone up in the air, it's even worse, right? Because then you get all into all the open areas, and that's where the wind can really catch your drone and take off. So you got to be real careful with that. What's that? It's not a chicken. I don't think so. It doesn't look like a chicken, but it could be a chicken. Top of the roof up there. So Lisa, if you're watching, there's your chicken right there on the roof. or rooster. Yeah, anyways, let's get on downtown through the town here and get on out of here. Well, look at here, guys. We are finally in the sun. Yes, indeed we are. And I think we are almost out of Oklahoma now. I think I'm thinking about another 15, 16 miles and we will be in Texas. I feel pretty confident about that. And we got another 50 more miles and we'll be in, well, at the truck stop in Flying J there at a little bit north of Dallas there, I guess you could say. And I just got me a reload offer here not too long ago. Yeah, we're supposed to go down to La Porte, Texas, which I believe is on the east side of Houston. Pick up a load there tomorrow afternoon and head back to Winnipeg. Yeah, that's what the plan is. So that is awesome news. That'll probably give us about 3,200 miles, I'm thinking, give or take, around that area. So that's still a good week. That's all I can ask for. As long as I get 3,000 plus miles a week, I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. Yes, indeed. It's just too bad that it's still too windy, in my opinion, to be flying the drone. Maybe, just maybe, just before the sun goes down, maybe it will slow down a little bit with the wind, and just maybe I can fly my drone over there where the truck stop is, but that's only a maybe. We don't know that yet. We have no idea how long it takes or when this wind is going to slow down, right? But for right now, we're just keeping the left door closed. Hammer down time, that's all that we are concerned about right now. Get to the truck stop and call it a day. I'll probably take me a little afternoon nap. I really need it. Yeah, I sure do. We have made it to the Flying J, ladies and gentlemen, here in Texas, where it's nice and warm. I got my mic out here today, and I wanted to show you guys. We're parked here in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the parking lot. That guy is parked right there. Reason being, guys are parking in our spots they're not supposed to be parked in. I'm supposed to be in 3. That's that white one there with the kind of bumper. The other one is supposed to go in 8, which is that red truck over there. So let's go have a look. I already knocked on his door, he ain't answering. Security already knocked on his door, he ain't answering. So they already called him over the speaker. If they don't come out in a short time, they're gonna get towed out of here. So let's take a look. You see what they did? They make reservations. Now the Flying J is putting numbers on here. You see, my spot is number 3. This guy has got no tag. You're supposed to have a tag in the window. There's no tag on him, right? Let me show you on this other truck here. He's got a tag on the side of the window there. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this is how it's supposed to be done. That's how it's supposed to be done. A window, on the window, you're supposed to put the tag. I already went and got my tag, but these guys aren't coming out. That red truck over there and this one might be getting towed out of here, so get ready for some action, guys. Very possible. So I was going to go drive in like this. I'll drive in so that way, like, because it's a little bit on the angle down, so I'm good to go. All right, but yeah, we're gonna have to wait and find out what happens, but get ready for some action, that's for sure. All right, guys, the driver has just showed up. He was inside taking a shower. He's just fixing to get out of his spot right now as we speak. Yeah, this other guy is trying to get out here. Oh yeah, you see him? He's just leaving right now. Right there he is. I guess he just wanted to go in and grab himself a shower, so can't blame him for that. You need a parking spot, but go find yourself a parking spot somewhere else, right? There he goes. So let's go ahead and go into our spot, and then we'll be done for today. Alrighty, guys, it is already the next morning again, and I figure I go ahead and close off my show, right? Otherwise, we have no closure in this show. Yeah, the guy had moved out of here, and I got my spot. That and I was going to tell you guys, the Flying J has recently changed their whole system, the way they do things, right? And what they're doing now is when you reserve a spot, they actually assign a parking number to you, a parking spot number. They have numbers marked on these spots now and painted on the floor, and now they're actually marking you a number. So in all reality, that is really good, because then you you go down the line and you say, okay, this is my spot, right? And then there is no fighting between each other or trying to figure out which one is in the wrong spot, or which truck shouldn't be in this aisle or whatever, right? Like, it's say if somebody parks in here that isn't supposed to be parking in here because he didn't pay for a parking lot or whatever, right? So then they figure they resolve it that way, right? So yeah, so he finally got out of here. I guess he just stopped in here and he really needed a shower, and I guess he stopped in my spot and went inside and had a shower, so I had to wait here till he was done, I guess. But anyways, we got our spot, had a good night's sleep. I really needed that extra sleep, right? Because the night before I didn't get much, so I went to bed early last night. And here we are, done for today. So let's go ahead and get out of here, and let's start a new vlog, a new day and everything. And let's get up early, or we already gotten up early, and let's go make our delivery. Hopefully we get there on time, because I see the traffic is already starting to back up. So come back and check out what happens tomorrow, see if we got there on time and all that good stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and reminder, if you're new to our channel, we would love to have you on board by hitting that subscribe button down there below. And for all of you guys that watch my video, you guys need to leave thumbs up. I'm only getting about 90 to 100 thumbs up so far. I would like to get that up to 200. Got 500 of you usually watching, so let's get that thumbs up a little bit higher, guys. Anyways, have a great day, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow.